Starting this video out again, the issue is on my kale, on my chard, on my broccoli, on my collards, but not so much on my collards. I'm getting infested with these I'm thinking that these are aphids. Hopefully I can put this where you can see it. See, there's just absolutely thousands of the rascals. I've tried spray, I've tried 7 dust, I've tried everything that I can think of to no avail. So I sure would appreciate if you guys, this is what I've just picked, it doesn't have any aphids on it. Making sure I didn't put one in that is infested, and I did. So anyway, after I get these knocked back or picked, then at that point I'm going to take a solution of Dawn detergent and water, put in a sprayer and try to get rid of them. I've heard that that will suffocate aphids. And it gets, I tell you what, it gets frustrating once in a while, because I work so hard in this little garden. I love to keep it maintained. Quite honestly, I normally can figure out how to correct a problem by working it through. So if you guys have any suggestions about these creatures, how to get rid of them, let me know, and I in turn will let you know if I get everything. If the Dawn detergent works. We're gonna see. We are gonna see. Darn the heck. The heck, brother, the heck. It's crazy. It is crazy. While I'm here, I'm going to check a chard I need to harvest. We're going to see if the Dawn detergent will correct the little matter. Sure hoping it does. I am certainly hoping it does. I'm not in the mood to deal with these rascals. I hate to even step on a bug, but I'm going to tell you what, once these things start bothering my food, that's a different story. I will crush them. I will kill them dead. Just got to figure out how to do it. Hopefully you folks will help me figure that out. Yeah, see, just, very frustrating. Very frustrating. Very, very, very frustrating. I'm probably even out of camera now, aren't I, folks? Well, I'm going to continue to pick the chard. I appreciate you helping me on this. Thanks.